guys, what's up? It's your girl Toy, and guess what? It's cruise day, guys, and I am here on my very first MSC cruise. So I'm here at the terminal out of Miami, and I'm going on the MSC MAGNIFICA. Now I'm excited and I'm a little scared because this is my first time on MSC, and I want to see for myself how it is. Okay, so you know, all the horror stories I've heard. Let's see how it plays out. Now, the MSC MAGNIFICA first entered service back in 2010, so it is a little bit of an older ship, but hey, you know what I'm saying, a oldie but goodie. So it did cost $547 million to make, and now it is ported here in the port of Miami, and I am going to go on it, guys. So I'm excited. I'm at the port. I'm going to go ahead and get checked in. My check-in time is at 2 p.m. Well, it's between 2 and 2:30. So let's go ahead and get in and see how the check-in process is. All right, guys. So the check-in process was actually really smooth, really quick. Like, took me 2 minutes to get through. I don't know if the cruise was full or packed or not, but it was really smooth, really quick. So yeah, almost on the ship. All right, getting ready to board, and it's not even crowded in here. Yeah, hold on. This way. It's not even crowded, but it's almost crowded. It's the board. So once you enter onto the ship, you are on deck 6. And deck 6 is, they have a lot of things. They have like shopping, jewelry, and you come into the beautiful atrium on the Magnifica. Okay, guys, so I am here in the room and I am on deck 10. So I'm going to first go get some food. It's only like 2:45. So we leave here at 6 p.m. So I'm going to eat something. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the muster drill. But yeah, a couple of things. There was only 3 elevators to take us up to our floor. And I'm like, I am not trying to wait that long. Wow. So I took the stairs. Nothing wrong with the stairs. It's always good to take the stairs anyways on embarkation day. But yeah, so I am here in the room, and I will do a room tour, a quick room tour when I get back to the room. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. In the meantime, in between time, let's go get some food and check out the buffet. Hey guys, so I am outside on the deck, just kind of walking around. It is 4:50. We leave here at 6 p.m. Had to do muster drill and everything like that. So just trying to get acclimated. I have some hot takes on the MSC MAGNIFICA so far, But yeah, I mean, right now the chip is pretty cool. I don't know if it's full or not. It may be full. I'm not sure, but it does seem kind of like it seems empty, but it may be full. Um, it only seems crowded, like, in the cafeterias and stuff like that, where the buffet is. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, my experience is okay. I do have a few things, like I said, I have to tell you, but that's gonna be in my overall review. But yeah, guys. So I'm here. I'm gonna see what this night brings. I'm going to go back into the room right now, and then I'm going to go and check out where the kids area is to find out the situation on the kids area. Okay, so once I get down there, I will check back in with you. So this is the kids club on the Magnifica, and I'll get more into that later. But here I did stop at one of the bars. It was on deck 5, which was next to the customer service desk, and I tried the daily cocktail, which was a elderflower. Now guys, I just tried to try something different, something new, and it was like a real flowery, is that a word? Taste. I don't know, it had a weird aftertaste, and I didn't really like it, but I did drink it because I did pay for it, okay? So this is the pool deck on deck 13, and this is where the Sailaway party is, and of course the jacuzzis and all the pools. And this is also the deck where the buffet, the Sahara Desert Cafe buffet is. Caught the freedom of the seas turning around to get ready to leave out before us, and it was quite a view. I love seeing the ships pass by. We were like probably the last ones, if not the last to leave the port, so watching the other ships is very cool. So this was the Sailaway party, guys. It was a lot of Latin-inspired music. It was very different, of course. There was no line dancing at all. So I didn't really partake in a lot of the Sailaway party activities. So I just observed from afar. But I did have a good time. So I was still just vibing to the Sailaway party, and I was still sipping on that elderflower drink from earlier, child. I could not finish it. It was just too much for me. So we were finally sailing away, and I had to go up top to get some video of the views leaving the port of Miami, which is so beautiful at night with the lights and just seeing the city in the background lit up and the sun setting. It was just a gorgeous, gorgeous view. I had to get some footage from my balcony, so I went to my room real fast so I can catch us just on the way out of the port of Miami to catch the views from my balcony. And it was just as beautiful as ever. Hey guys, so I am in the room and I'm gonna actually go to the child care area to see about getting my daughter into the child care club, registering her, or do whatever I gotta do so that she can get in. Okay, so I can be outside. And then after that, we're gonna go to dinner real fast, and then we're gonna probably hit the casino, maybe see a show or two. We'll see. I don't know. The night is still young. So we did make it to the main dining room, and I will say that the service was good. It was okay at the main dining room. It was average. Now the food, on the other hand, was a different story. But guys, look at my daughter. Look at Chloe. She was having a fit with that little high chair. She thought they were gonna take her food. She was looking them up and down, honey. I was cracking up. She's a trip. So for my dinner, I had a Caesar salad, which was not good. And then I had a pulled pork with macaroni, which was definitely average. And then I had a cheesecake for dessert. But we didn't go back to the main dining room at the whole cruise. So after dinner though, we did make it to a show. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those clips right now. So this was the rock show here on the Magnifica in the Royal Theater, and they just did a melody of popular rock songs. The vocalists were really good and the costumes were great. So the show was pretty average, but overall I liked it. Okay guys, so yes, I am back in the room and it's not that late. It's literally almost 11, but I'm exhausted. You guys know that on embarkation day, it can just be a lot. It can be a lot, you know, traveling and then trying to get on the ship, navigate the ship, and try to take part in some activities. It's exhausting, literally. There's Chloe in the background. She had an exhausting day. She literally fell asleep at dinner. I don't blame her because I was tired too. Okay. But yeah, so that was my night. I mean, I didn't do too much on the first day, on day one. I didn't. But yeah, hopefully, I mean, not hopefully, I will have more energy tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, we're gonna have more energy tomorrow, right, Chloe? Yes, we're gonna have more energy tomorrow. We're gonna be in Ocean K tomorrow. So I'm gonna get some rest. Me and the babes here, we're gonna get some rest, to get some sleep, charge up for tomorrow, and then yeah, we'll be in Ocean K, which I'm excited for because I've never been to Ocean K. Your girl never been to Ocean K. So this is, like I said, my first time on MSC. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not already. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, we're friends now. We're travel buddies. Yeah, so anyways, day one was okay. It wasn't too bad. I do have a few issues, but it's not too many. Not too many, really. I mean, what can you expect? It is the Magnifica. I am on a cruise, so, you know, I'm excited. I'll get into that deeper in maybe my whole review of the ship. But for now, I'll keep my little tidbits to myself. I'll keep my tidbits to myself for right now. But yeah, I just came from the show that you just saw those clips of. That show was okay. You know, it was all right. It was average. I mean, it was a rock show. So, but yeah, it was okay. It wasn't anything too spectacular. Chloe enjoyed it. She loves a good, you know, she loves for someone to perform and a good clap. So she's gonna love it. But yeah, it was something to do. It was fun. It was okay. But yeah, so now, like I said, I'm going to turn it in for the night. I am back in the room. I didn't do a room tour. I do have a balcony. If I didn't tell you that. I do have a balcony. But I will do a room tour most likely tomorrow. But stay tuned because that room tour will be a separate video. And so you don't want to miss that. You do not want to miss it, guys. Okay? Yeah, so that is it for day one. She's bringing me her iPad because she wants to watch Coco Melon or something. I don't know. One of these shows. Oh no. Oh no. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign off. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.